Hello my friends. Today we're going to make ghee, and ghee is made out of butter. And I like to use ghee because you don't have to refrigerate it. It has a higher flash point and less spoilage. It can last a lot longer than what butter can. I've had butter that I paid quite a bit for. This was a pound of Amish butter. It's Troyer. And it's a very good butter. However, I had it spoil in a couple weeks because of the high moisture content. Ghee is just butter with the water and the milk solids removed from it. It's very easy to do, and we're going to do it here. It takes about 20 to 30 minutes to complete. I like to store it. This is a jar that I had used and purchased. This jar would cost almost $15. Now they're selling them in smaller jars because of the cost, and the smaller jar is 13 ounce, this is 16 ounce, and the smaller jar cost $10. A pack of butter, I like to use the unsalted. I'm on a low salt diet. So unsalted butter, I think the salts cook out or settle out of the ghee when you make it anyway. So any butter can make the ghee. A pack of butter right now, to me it's high priced, but it's $3.99, so $4, and that will fill this $15 jar. Okay, this is butter, the Troyer butter. It's a organic. It's still good, but I've had it a couple weeks, and I'm afraid that it may spoil also. It's the exact same brand as what I had spoil on me. So this is going to go into ghee, and it has a long shelf life. I know that if you keep it refrigerated, you can store it for a year or so. On the shelf, 6 months is good for the ghee. If you're prepping, this is the way to go. I'm sure you could keep it a very long time if you keep it out of the light and in a cool place. So let's get started. Place your butter in a pan. I like to use a taller pan. You want to heat this without a lid because you want the moisture to escape. So we're going to bring this up to a boil. Now I'm using a taller pot because this is going to do some splashing. If you have a grease screen that you can set over it, that will keep the mess contained. Okay, all the sticks are melted. The solid clump is still, we're still working on that one. You may be able to see some of the steam escaping. Okay, and this type of bubbling, boiling, is the water evaporating. When all the water is gone, you'll see a difference in the boiling. You want to keep a close watch. You don't want to burn the milk solids. You want to toast them. The toasting of the solids give the ghee a muddy flavor. If you burn the bottom, the ghee is still good, but it'll have a stronger taste. You don't need to be stirring. You want the solids to settle, but you can see it's starting to clarify. It's getting away from that very yellowish color, starting to look more like an oil. It's important to get all the water out. The water is what causes the butter to spoil. Okay, I'm doing this to try to look at the bottom, and I can see right now that the solids are toasted. You can skim this off. Okay, I have a cheesecloth in a screen. I'm using the funnel to help direct. Okay, I let this set about 5 minutes. You can see how it's clear, and the bottom is the solids. I'm going to leave these lids off for a while. In case there's any more moisture in there, it will evaporate. It's still hot, but when it cools, it will solidify, and you can see the golden color. Has a real nutty flavor. Very nice. Ghee is a quick process to make. Very good for frying in. Long shelf life, 6 months left out, a year in the refrigerator, and it can be frozen. Great for frying. Flash point or smoke point is 485 degrees compared to butter, which is 350 degrees. To make Ghee, place butter into an open container, bring it up to a boil, let it simmer at a low boil for about 15 to 20 minutes, watching the bottom, don't be stirring it. Leave the milk solid settle to the bottom. When you see it start to caramelize, turn the heat off and run it through a cheesecloth into a container for storage, and that's it. Simple and cheap to make compared to buying. This jar would be about $15 in the store. It has $4 worth of butter in it. Thanks for watching, my friends. Bye-bye.